Hello everybody and welcome to my modular plot. Today we're going to harvest my second early and my early main crop potatoes. We've got some Marris Peer, Nicola and Pink Gypsie going on here. They're all planted in the early March, and so the first thing to do is take off all the tops and give it a bit of a weed out on the top, and then we'll get digging. Alright, let's get busy. So I've got my trusty sickle. Cool, well that's something for the compost heap. And lastly, let's actually do the weeding. Alright, now that's all clear, I can see what I'm going to do. So first I'm going to start off with getting up the Marris Peer on this one, which should be kind of like a new potato. So let's see if they have any decent size, or if I've got any. Alright, let's just bring over, get that in there. Can chuck my harvest on that one. I want to keep them separate, so I've got a different collection of bags. Let's do some digging. Alright, that one I'd already took out a while back when I was checking things over. There we go. So these are your little dinky ones. Okay, to a cute size. Ooh, that was a good one. Ho 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 ho! This one's got two lovely slugs on it. Thought if I'd left these a bit, the slugs would start to get them. Bloody slugs. Alright, so that's the first dig, so I'm just going to go over it quite quickly and see if I've missed any. See, one of the good things about doing spuds like this, if you are into like tilling, this is a great way to break up the soil. Couple more. Obviously if you leave a few in the ground, they will come up next year. Like I was saying in my plot tour, there's one that's over by the sprouting broccoli I'm going to get out to. From last year. Last year I just did pink gypsies, which were okay, but didn't get the best yield in the world. Neither's this Marris Peer. I always imagined that I'd get millions of potatoes off like a 9-foot row, but you don't get too many. I might move on to buckets. Well, it's definitely worth a second pass. Keep the mud on my plot. Oh, wait. And the old earthworm. You'll enjoy that. Nice. So let's have a closer look. So this is what I got off 9 foot with 9 plants in. It's more than I put in. I probably put in what? Something like that's probably what I planted, and that's what I've got. So I'd say that's like quadruple. So that's the thing. That's Marris Peer. Will I grow it next year? Who knows? Alright, I'm going to harvest the other 2 things and we'll have a look at those. Alright, here's the next one. Wow, wait! Look what Nicola's done. Nicola has done a massive bumper crop. This is probably 2, maybe 3 times more than the Marris Peer. And some of them are of a nice size. I probably could have left these a few more weeks because it still had the tops on and there's still quite a few little dinky ones, but we'll have those as new potatoes. Yeah, really happy with that. I'm going to weigh all these at home, so I'll pop the weight up when it's ready. Cool, let's have a look at the pink gypsies. Not massively confident on this next one, but let's have a see what the crop's like. Well, here's the pink gypsy crop. Not massive, tiny. I nearly only put in about half as much as this. And we have had some little pest eating into them. I should have pulled them up a lot long ago. I know there's a few absolutely ruined. But what they make up for in prettiness, they failed in yield on this one. So, should be able to get our meal out of that. But on the early crops, Nicola's the winner. Alright, that's it for today. Ta-ra.